Imagine yourself as an artist, standing before a canvas, prepared to create a masterpiece. The colors on your palette are your data, and your brush is Microsoft Power BI. How you blend these colors, the strokes you choose, and your vision will determine the beauty of your final painting, your business intelligence insights. Working through this week on the right tools for the job, you learned the techniques to paint a masterpiece. You covered the importance of identifying suitable data and evaluating data sources, data gathering and ingestion, transforming and loading the data in preparation for analysis, and using the extract, transform, load, or ETL capabilities of Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Power Query. Let's revisit some of the key concepts you covered in the week. You started your journey with an exploration of data collection, identifying and evaluating the required data in the foundation for successful business decision-making. You learned the importance of asking the right questions and analyzing the necessary data for business decisions, illustrated through the scenario of AdventureWorks. You explored the need to understand the purpose of the data, how it serves this purpose, and how it should be evaluated, learning about classifying data as structured, unstructured, and semi-structured types. You then continued to the workflow in Power BI, the artist's brush in the earlier analogy. You discovered that Power BI, with its three main components, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Apps, is a powerful tool for creating meaningful reports from various data sources. You were introduced to the Power BI workflow to effectively sequence your work from importing data to creating dashboards, sharing them, and managing access permissions. Next, you explored the ETL process and related concepts. You learned about data gathering and ingestion, the act of obtaining and importing data from different sources. This process aids in data consolidation, enabling enhanced decision-making and innovation. You covered some common methods of data ingestion and gathering, from less technical methods like manual data entry to methods that require specialized tools or knowledge like database connections. You also learned more about data storage and management and their importance for data-driven organizations. You explored key considerations for data storage planning, such as storage capacity and data access needs, as well as key aspects of data management planning, from data governance to retention and archiving. Your journey then led you to data cleaning and transformation. Much like cleaning and preparing your paintbrushes before creating a masterpiece, data needs to be cleaned and transformed to ensure its quality and suitability for analysis. You learned how data cleaning addresses inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicate entries in datasets, while data transformation enhances data analysis through processes like aggregating data, converting data types, and normalizing values. After that, you explored the practical aspects of cleaning data at the source in Excel before importing it into Power BI. You discovered the importance of using key Excel functions like text functions, date and time functions, logical functions, and lookup functions to ensure the reliability and accuracy of our data. In the final part of the week, you explored Microsoft Power Query in Power BI, a data connectivity and preparation tool that handles the ETL process. You should now understand how Power Query helps in connecting to multiple data sources, cleaning and transforming data, automating data preparation tasks, and creating structured and collaborative workflows. This week, you were introduced to some of the tools you can use to create data analysis masterpieces, robust, insightful, and visually appealing business intelligence reports. In future courses, you'll have the opportunity to develop practical skills in using these tools. As you continue your Power BI learning journey, remember that like a skilled artist, a successful data analyst must know their tools well, understand their medium, the data, and have a clear vision of the end result. The knowledge and skills acquired in this week will serve as a strong foundation to build on, enabling you to create compelling data narratives that drive informed business decisions.